Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps on how to unblock someone on Discord. Whether you've blocked someone by accident or just changed your mind, it only takes a few taps to fix it. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your phone. Once you're inside, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on your profile picture. This will open up your account and settings menu, where you can manage everything from privacy to notifications. Next, tap on the settings icon. This is where you'll find all the controls you need. Scroll until you see the option labeled Content and Social. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to a section with tools that help you manage your interactions on Discord. Inside this section, you'll notice something called Blocked Accounts. Tap on that, and it'll open a full list of everyone you've blocked. This is the place where Discord stores all blocked users, making it easy to review or change who you can interact with. Now, scroll through and find the username of the person you want to unblock. Once you see their name, look just next to it, and you'll notice the option to unblock. Tap on Unblock, and just like that, they're removed from your blocked list. As soon as you do this, they'll be able to message you again, join voice chats with you, and interact normally depending on your server and privacy settings. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, opening Discord, tapping your profile picture, going into settings, selecting content and social, choosing blocked accounts, and hitting unblock, you'll be back in touch with that person in no time. Sometimes blocking is helpful when you need space, and unblocking is just as simple once you're ready to reconnect. Discord makes it quick, so you're always in control of your social experience. Thanks for watching.